Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah. Others, can you turn on your video? Yeah. Nihant and Lavit, can you turn on your video?
There is no electricity here, so I can't.
Okay. Nihant, can you turn on your video? You're traveling. Okay. Then Yuga.
Just a minute, Tanishka. My friend is calling. Can I? He had some fever, so he did not come to school. Within 2 minutes, can I talk to him? And can I turn on my video?
Yeah. So I just want to inform everyone that you have to be regular and active. You are taking it as easy. Yeah, every one of you. You're traveling. You did not attend most of the classes, right? Like the previous classes. So you're traveling today. So even if you attend, you cannot listen properly and you cannot ask the doubts, right? Yeah. And yeah, if you're in the class once, you have to listen to the class. If you're talking to someone else, then there's no use of being in the class.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, you can inform others as well to be regular because we prepared for you, right? And we are here, so you have to attend the class. So most of them, they have preparatory exams, so they couldn't attend. But they didn't inform me. Now they informed. So it's okay. We can have the class and the recording we'll put it in the group and then others can watch. Yeah. So, Angelina, do you have anything to talk to others?
So I just want to ask Dhanalakshmi, is your exams are over?
No, it's going on.
Tomorrow you have exam?
Yeah,
Which subject is it?
science.
Did you learn?
I have to learn after the online class. I finished 2 chapters.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there anything is there anything to ask for others?
Do you have exams going on?
Like my exams are finished. So now present 10th classes are going on for us. Okay, thank you. So you can ask anybody else, like not me. You can ask Tanishka or Yuga or Nehant. You can ask them.
Ishka sister, do you have exams?
Oh, not me as well. You can ask others. My exams are completed.
Yeah. Hi, Yuga brother.
Hello.
Did your preparatory exam finish?
Actually, our final exams got over, and now our 10th classes are going on. What about your exam?
It's going on.
In which class are you studying now?
7th.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Nehant, are you there? Okay, Lavit.
Yes,
Are
I
you-
am there.
Yeah.
Okay, how was your day?
Mine.
Was it good or bad?
It was pretty good.
Okay, how was your classes are going on? Like,
Our 10th classes have started. They are moving very quickly.
oh, I see. Okay, okay. Thank you. Then
Yeah.
Lavit.
Yes.
So which class are you in now?
Currently, I'm in ninth, but the annual exams are going on.
Oh, fine. So how was your day?
It was good. I worked in an poultry farm, you guess. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So
How
now
was yours
Tanish,
though?
it was good, pretty good.
Okay. Yeah. So is that it?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So from this week onwards, I thought we should support you more because my exams are over. Me and Angelina are classmates, so our exams are over. Then Pranava, though his annual exams are not over, still he wants to like help you guys because you have your preparatory exams now, right? It's going on, and some of you it's completed, and then you may, yeah, you have annual exams as well. So I know it'll be difficult for you to concentrate completely in the Python classes, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sister.
Yes.
Yeah, every one of you unmute yourself. If there's no disturbance, then unmute always. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So to support you guys more, like to help you learn more, I know you may miss the classes sometimes, like just like what happened today. Most of them cannot attend the class because they have exams. So even you have exams, if you have attended today, then thank you so much. Yeah. So we are trying to make some tutorial videos for you guys. Tutorial videos in the sense, not the recordings. Sometimes some of you may feel it's really boring to watch recordings, isn't it? Is it?
Yeah, correct.
Sometimes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So, and even it's boring because sometimes you feel like you can just watch. You cannot speak with your friends. You cannot text like in the chat box, or you cannot ask doubts then and there itself. So you just have to sit and watch for 1 hour continuously. So you feel bored, right? And then when they ask some questions, you cannot answer. So recordings, some of you may feel it's boring. So we thought to make some tutorial videos to help you guys. So tutorial videos, they are not very long, but they're very short. Very short. Do you guys watch Instagram Reels? How many of you watch? Raise your hands. How many of you watch Instagram Reels? Okay. Wow. Except Lakshmi, everybody watches. Okay, so we all watch Instagram Reels because they're very short and it seems very fun, right? Yeah, and sometimes you get some knowledge from them. Yeah, from those videos too. So what we thought was we make some short tutorial videos for you and then upload it to Instagram. So whenever you're free, watch it. And then when we ask you, like give you some assignments or ask you some questions at the end of the video, then try to think about it and then you practice. You don't need to watch the recording, like the whole recording. So it's not like you'll just completely understand once you watch the video. So you watch it, try to understand, watch it again if you don't understand, and then practice. So suddenly you got a doubt now. You're practicing. So go to Instagram again. You can watch the video and you understand, and then come back and practice. Okay, so in the short video, we cannot completely teach you everything, but we'll make different parts. Okay, part one of dictionary, then part two of dictionary. In this way, we teach you. So you watch those video when you cannot attend the class, and then you can practice on your own at home. and then try to solve some questions if it's given in the video. So this is one thing that I want to inform, that the instructors thought to do this because you're busy nowadays, right? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sister.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so we thought to spend our time more to help you guys. So you have to really practice because we are making it easier for you. Okay? And then the other thing is to help you guys with your group meetings. You know, you have other group meetings apart from Friday class. So to help you with that, so some of the instructors will be part of it. So not only you meet just your friends, but also one or two instructors will be there to help you there also. So on Fridays we just learn. Okay? Yeah. And then that's the second one. And the third one, this is a bit interesting, I guess. Yeah. So I thought to give you guys rewards. Yeah, gifts. Yeah, you're so shocked. But not to everyone. Not to everyone. Only three of them can, or maybe six. So I thought to divide you guys into different teams. You know, this team is not a boring team, okay? This team can be, you know, group of friends, okay? You can chat in WhatsApp. You make your own WhatsApp group, chat, and then share your doubts, okay, ask doubts, share your learnings. You can do all these things with that group of three. Okay, so I'll be giving you rewards because of your activeness. So just think, me, Angelina, and Pranava, we are a group. So whenever we have quiz or we attend all the classes, and when the questions are asked, we are always active and we ask a lot of doubts. We speak a lot in the class. We do all this, and not just Pranava or not just Angelina, but all of us, like three of us together. We speak a lot. We ask a lot of doubts, and we correct, and we help other teams also sometimes, and we discuss within ourselves. So we do all this. Then when the instructor meets us, they give us rewards. Yeah. So if you are very active in the sense, not just one person, okay? Three members also in the group. Just think, Ashish, Yuga, Nihant are in a team, but you guys very active, but Ashish is not very active, and the other person is not at all attending the class, then you won't get reward. Everyone should be active. Everyone should be very talkative. Then, when I meet you in the workshop, I'll bring gifts for you. So this is what reward system, okay? Yeah, I'll not tell you what the gifts are, but I'll definitely bring. I promise. So you guys have to promise me that you will be active and you will help your that group of friends. Do you guys promise?
Yes, we'll be active.
Yes.
Yeah, I will promise.
Okay, promise, don't forget. Yeah, so I'll show you the teams now. Yeah, can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there are just four teams. Okay, so team one, Nihant, Lekana, and Yuga. Okay,
Okay.
then team two, Ashish, Dhanalakshmi, and Prisha. Then team three, Lavit, Payal, Godwin, and then Pragna. Then team four, Bharat, Varsha, and Sana. So don't worry about this thing. It's just for the gender. So when I divide you guys, so it should be equal in teams. That's why it's there. Don't worry about it. So team one, In team 1, is there anyone in the meeting now? Yeah, Yuga
Uh,
is there. Then team 2, anyone in the meeting now? Dhanalakshmi and Ashish, right? Yeah, then team 3, Payal is not here, Godwin not here, Pragna didn't inform. Lovit is here, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Then team 4, nobody's here, but I'll inform Bharat. Yeah, when they watch recording, they will know. So yeah, remember your teammates. Okay? Yeah. So I'll not tell you what you should do with your team members. I'll not do anything. It's up to you. You can decide with your team members. You can have, friendly meetings with your team members, and then you can actively participate in the group. Because whenever you have team, you try to prepare yourselves before the class, and then you tell your friends, okay, today we have to be active. Today you can answer this, learn this topic, and then answer in the class so that we may get the rewards when we meet. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah. Yeah. So that's about the reward system. And the other two things that I told, yeah, do you guys remember? You promised that you will be active. Yeah. And then the other one is about the tutorial videos. And then the instructors will also accompany you in your group meetings. Yeah. So Ashish, you can watch the recording because you joined late, right? Yeah. So over to Angelina. Yeah.
So today Pranava is out of station. So I'll be teaching you the basics of dictionaries and functions.
Angelina,
Yeah.
can you do the recap for a few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I guess last class we learned about the while and the break and continue statement. So I need any volunteer to say me about what is while loop. Anyone?
the statements which runs until the condition is satisfied.
Yeah. So it runs until the condition becomes true. Okay. Here I gave a code. So can you explain the code for me?
So like which could
This one, the first one.
okay. So here integer you took an integer I. So I equals 1.
It's not an integer, it's a variable.
Sorry. Variable
Yeah.
1 while I less than 6 print I plus 1 I plus is equal to 1. Uh, it means that we should get an output as 1.
No. So what will be the output?
Else like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 6.
Yeah, the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6. Because
Okay.
it's less than like 6, right? So when it reaches 6, then it stops there because the condition became true. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. It stops when it comes to 6. Okay. So the next statement we learned is break. So Dhanalakshmi, can you say what is break statement in while loop?
Yeah. Break means uh, if the code is running continuously means to break that.
Yeah, so break statement is used to come out of the code, right? It is used to come out of the code. So here I gave a code, right? So what will be the output? Can you say?
Yeah. I think 4.
So here they gave if I equals 3, then break. Then what will be the output? Here they may mention if I equals 3, then break.
Yeah, you have to answer
Yeah.
correctly. Only then you get the reward. If
1
you get
and 2.
confused, then do this line by line. Try to
When
understand.
uh,
I'll
when
explain
it
it to you line by line, okay? Then you can answer me. So here I have took the variable that is 1, that is I, that is equal to 1. And while I is less than 6, then print I. So here this code we saw it before here, right? So it prints
yes,
till 5, right? And I
yeah,
gave here a if condition. That is, if I equals 3, then break. Then it will break there. So what will be the output?
4 till 4 I think, because till 3 it will stop and plus 1.
No. Like this will. So okay, I'll show the output. Then I'll explain the code. So it prints 1, 2, 3. Why it prints 1, 2, 3? Because I gave a condition that if I equals 3, then it should break there. Did you understand?
Yeah,
So it prints 1, 2, 3, not 4.
yeah, I understood.
Okay. The next condition what we learned is continue, right? Say yes or no.
Yeah,
Did you learn continue?
Yes.
yeah.
So okay. Now I need Lavit to guess the output of this code.
I was not present in the last class.
Okay, fine. Then Ashish, can you say me the output?
It will be
Again,
5.
just a second. Sorry to interrupt. Love it. Were you not present in last class?
No. I sent you a message though.
Yeah, you sent me after the class ended. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you're absent, if you're like not able to attend the class, then you have to watch the recording. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Lavit, can I ask you a question? It's like
Yeah.
I explained about just now I told the definition of while loop and if statement.
Yeah.
Can you repeat what I said? The definitions, can you say it once again?
Yeah. While statement runs till the statement is satisfied,
Yeah,
and the break statements is to get out of the code.
yeah,
That
thank you.
means to end it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. So, Ashish, are you there?
Yeah.
So, will you guess the output of this code?
5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 0, 1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
You observe the code. I'll explain it. Okay. I is a variable that is 0. So while I is less than 6, and here there is a condition. You see, if I equals 3, then continue. So what is continue, Ashish?
To continue the code like 4, 5, 6.
So, okay, I'll say what is continue. So continue is nothing but it skips the current number and continue the rest of the number. Here, if I
Okay.
equals 3, then it skips 3. It will totally will skip the 3 part and it will continue the rest of the number. Did you get it now?
Yeah.
Then what will be the output?
0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it's correct. So thank you. So that is or while loop, break, and continue statement. Did everyone understand? Like, did everyone get it?
Could you
Yeah.
explain once again the continuous statement?
Yeah. So here, continuous statement is nothing but if we give a condition that like if here I gave if I equals 3 and continue. So here it will skip the number and continue the rest of the number. So here I gave the condition to skip 3. So it will skip 3 and it will continue the rest of the number. It's nothing but it will skip the number. It will skip the current number, then continue the rest of the number. Did you got it?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So today we are going to learn about dictionaries. The basic what I'm going to teach you about just the basic. So do you know like the dictionary, the English dictionary? right? What it contains, why it is used. The normal dictionary.
To
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 find
get the
out.
Find
meanings
out
of the
the
words.
meaning of the word.
Yeah, to get the meaning of the word. So here in the Python, we are using dictionary to store data values. To store the values we are using. And the values is in the keys and value pair. For example, can you see the code here?
Yeah.
This dick is equal to here. The name is the key and the John is the value. Did you got it?
Yes.
So the dictionary stores data values according to the keys and value pairs. So tell me here, age is equal to 36. Which is the key and which is the value?
Key is age and the value is
Age
that.
is value is
Yeah,
36 and the key.
yeah. So here age is the key and the value is 36. And dictionary is the collection which is ordered. So when we print this, okay, I'll print. So when we print this, the order doesn't change. What order we gave here, the same order we'll get as the output. So here they're saying that dictionary is ordered and changeable. So here instead of John, I can write Ashish. So when I run the code, it prints Ashish. It means the dictionaries can be changeable. Can be changeable, right? Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
And the third is it do not allow duplicates. For example, okay. What's the error here?
It
It
is repeated.
says that the keyword argument is repeated. That means duplicated.
Yeah. So here it doesn't allow the duplicates. Did you get it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now this is the basic information of a dictionary. So I need now anybody of you to explain the code. I explained what is dictionary and explain what is like dictionary is the collection of ordered, changeable, and it doesn't allow duplicate. Now I think you understood the code, what I written here, right?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
can anybody voluntarily
Can
come?
I?
Yeah, you can.
So, this dictionary is equal to name is equal to Ashish.
So what is
Name is a
dictionary here?
dictionary means
No,
the
no. What
collection
is
of
this dictionary? Is it a variable, string, integer? What is it?
string.
No, it's not a string. This dick is a variable.
Okay. So this dict is a variable
Yeah.
which contain key and value. So
Hmm.
here key is name and Ashish is value.
Hmm.
Same like that only. Age is key and 36 is value. And country is key and Norway is value. Then print this dict means print this value. So we'll get the output.
Yeah, thank you, Dhanlakshmi.
Yeah,
So
it's my
I
pleasure.
guess everybody understood dictionaries. So is there anybody that they didn't?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Tanishka just sent something in the chat and I don't know what he said. It says something dictionary name. Can somebody explain it?
Okay. We'll relate that to this code. So she sent that dictionary name. So here, what is the dictionary name?
This date.
Oh, sorry, okay. This dict is not the variable. That is the dictionary name. That was my mistake. So this dict is not a variable. It is a dictionary name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I changed my mistake. Okay, here the dictionary name. That is in my code, it is this dict. And it's equal key one. Key one. What is key here? The name is the key.
The
And
name is the key.
Yeah,
the value is, what is the value?
Ashish.
Ashish.
That what she sent. The key one is the name and the value
Yeah,
is
okay.
the Ashish.
Yeah, like and where is this dictionary present? Can we create a dictionary?
Yeah, we are creating a dictionary. That's what. Like is equal
Uh-huh.
to dick is equal to name is equal to Ashish. We are creating it in here.
Yeah. Yeah. Can we name anything the dictionary, like any random name?
Here, the dictionary name can be anything, but here it should be.
Yeah. Yeah.
It,
Okay. But this spelling should be there, like
ah,
this dictionary.
it's your wish. You can name it anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Tanishka, do you have some things to say?
Yeah, I have two things. So one thing's to say and another one to ask. So first thing, I think you can remove DICT after equal sign.
This one?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my doubt too.
And then you can change the type of brackets.
This one.
Like into curly bracket. Yeah. Yeah. The last one as well. Yes. But you can change the whole stuff. Like this dick, you can change it.
Should cancel it?
Yeah, you can give any other name. Okay. So you can change it here as well. Yeah, you can write data set. Oh, no. D, it's capital here. It doesn't work. Okay, and the other thing is, you see, before you mentioned DICT, so it considered it's a dictionary. So no, don't run. But now, it will not consider as dictionary. Okay, so name also should have the quotation. Yeah, because it's a string, right? Yeah, but yeah. Now age also should have quotation. Yeah, country also. But 36, no problem. Yes. Can you try to run? Oh, and the other mistake, I think the equal sign should be colon.
Sure.
Not that, inside the dictionary.
Fine.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. Can you try to run it now? Okay, got it. Yeah. Because I think the mistake, it's not like mistake, but before you use the keyword, right? Like DICT after the equal sign. But usually this is how we write. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to say. Yeah. So the doubt that I had was not to ask Angelina, but others. Okay. Did you guys understand what is dictionary?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
told you guys to unmute always.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you understood. Okay. Can you guys give me an example? Like,
Yeah. Can I?
okay, yeah, love it.
Yeah. The food will be the key, and the sandwich will be the value.
Okay, okay. So now, so Angelina, can you try to change this country and Norway? Like, instead of country, you can write school, and Norway can be Christ. Okay. So let me ask you guys. You see, the key is name and the value is Ashish. Age is 36. Age, you can make it not 36, but just 12 or 13. Okay. So name, age, and school. So where do you see this usually together? Your name, your age, and your school.
In the exam sheet, I guess.
In the exam sheet, do you write your age as well?
Not like the hall ticket, for the SSLC exam.
Okay. But that's not the answer. Somewhere else you see this three pairs together in your daily
Help
life.
me.
Yeah.
ID card?
Yes, that's correct. In your ID card, you see your name, your age, sometimes like your date of birth and then your school, right? So in that, name is the key and value is your name. Like here it's Ashish. Then age is the key. Then the value is 12. Then school is the key. Then the value of it is Christ. Okay? Or your school name. So one real life example is you see this thing in your ID card, right? But don't think they use dictionary there. It was just to make you guys understand. Okay. So now, do you know where you use dictionary in real life? Just think about two things. You see dictionary in real life when you have a key, when you have a value for the key. Yeah, the real dictionary is the dictionary that you have. You know, you search the meanings, all the meanings there. So I want to ask you another question. Do you have um different words in the dictionary, like real dictionary? Like for example, think the word is um apple. So do you have different meanings? Okay, apple just have um oh,
Only one meaning.
not apple. You can just think about this, like fair. 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 So fair. So do you have different fair words in the dictionary?
No.
No. But do you have different meanings for the word fair in the dictionary?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have only one word, FAIR. You go to F word and search FA, then FAI, and then FAIR fair. Only one word. But meanings, you find many meanings, right? Like they put one and they write the definition and then meaning two, right? In the
Yeah.
same way, here also, unique key means no duplicates, okay? But you can add many values to it, okay? Yeah. And then you can create the dictionary inside. But that's not necessary for now, but just make sure that you understand it. So just compare this dictionary with your real life dictionary. Okay? Do you guys use dictionary?
Not always.
Not
Like we
always,
have Google
sometimes.
for everything.
Do you use Google at school?
No, I think I said it at home. At home, I usually use Google
Yeah,
for the
me
words
too.
only, to search
Mm,
the words.
So, but at school, if you wanna use, do you use dictionary? Others?
Yeah,
Yeah.
at school, we use dictionaries.
What about others?
Yeah, we use
Yeah, we'll use.
Yeah.
Okay. How much big is it? This much big dictionary do you have?
a small one.
Yeah, what about you guys? Do you carry very big dictionary because you read a lot? Yeah. Do you carry it to your school?
No, like I'll carry the small dictionary, like Oxford dictionary, the small one.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, me too. So if you want to understand this, then just think about your Oxford dictionary, pocket dictionary inside your bag. Then you write the Python code. Yeah. So you know, it's the keys should be unique and can be changed. So here the thing that Angelina told, it's mutable, can be changed, is not the key, but the value of the key. Okay? It means name will be name, but Ashish can be Yuga. Ashish, then Yuga can be Dhanalakshmi in the dictionary. Okay? So you can change it. It can change it in the sense you can either update it, like you have a way to do that, or else you can like add the values to it, like one by one. If that's 0, then you add 1. Then 1, then you add one more value, it becomes 2. So you can like change, you can make changes to the values, not the key. Okay?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the name key, can we add numbers? What will happen if we add?
You have numbers here as well. You see age and then 12 is a number, right?
No, like in the name, the name key. What will happen if we add like another number? For example, 15 we take in the place of Ashish.
No, in the place of Ashish, if you write, you mean, oh, okay. So that doesn't matter. The keys can be anything and the value can be anything.
Yeah, okay.
It doesn't check whether the name is a number or what. It can be anything.
Yeah, okay. That's what I asked.
Mm. Okay. So, you can change the values of the key. Then keys should be unique, no duplicates allowed, just like your pocket dictionary. Then, yeah, you have to use curly brackets. Then it is a dictionary. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to say. So you guys are very active. So I think you understood. Yeah. Ashish?
What about the function that using DICT before the bracket before at the first?
Oh, okay. So I never tried it, but I think it's a way to write a function. But this is how we usually write. So you can follow this method. Okay. I never
Thank
used. Yeah. So and the other thing is, before we move on to next topic, can anybody give an example, a real life example where we use dictionary? I told you it looks like the ID card, like ID card, but we don't use dictionary there, but it just looks like that. But the other example, any other example, just think about the key and the value. Where do you see both of this? I mean, you don't need to search for keys and values and colon, okay? But just think where you search for the keys, but you get the values. Yeah. Just think when you use mobile, you are searching for something, like searching for the keys, but you get the value. Where does that happen in your real life? Every one of you know this. I'm sure of it. But you don't know that's dictionary. Yeah, please turn on your video.
Email, I guess. Email ID.
Email?
When we are
No.
creating it, email ID.
No. Yeah. Just say something fast. It can be wrong, no problem.
like they ask everything.
Hall ticket.
Hall ticket? No. Guys, remember about the gifts that I told you at the beginning. Yeah. Where do you see this? Okay, can I reveal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
do you call anyone? Do you call anyone? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Call. So, when you call, you go to your contacts, then you go to search bar, and then you type yoga. Then I go and click that contact, and then I call him, and then yeah, we talk. So now here, which is the key?
You
I think the name
Contact.
Yeah.
Yuga.
Yeah.
Yuga,
What is the value maybe?
The
What?
number of him.
that's
Yeah.
which we have seen.
Yes. Yes. Can I? Okay, have you ever tried this? Just think you have two friends with name. Which name? Pragna. Okay, Pragna, you have two friends. Okay. You already saved one Pragna, but again, You're you're using you're saving another friend's number. If you type Pragna and then you're saving number, what does your phone say that time?
This contact already exists. Do you want to create a new one?
Yes,
Hmm.
exactly. So what do? You know, we all do this. Pragna, then underscore one. Pragna one, then or Pragna one and Pragna two. Yeah, because the keys cannot be you cannot duplicate it. It should be unique. That's why you save your contact names as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's why. So did you understand now?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are teaching you this because you're using this. You have to use this in the project. Okay, don't worry about the project. Just learn the topics for now. Try to understand. Then you can use everything, all these in your project. Yes, continue.
So, okay, the next topic that we are going to learn is functions. So here I wrote something on my screen, right? So is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
So Nehan, is he there?
Yeah,
Can you read it for me? Just read it.
I'm not able to see your screen. It is still loading. My network is very slow.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. So any volunteer?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, I can.
A function is a block of code which only runs when it's called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result.
Okay, what did you understand by these three lines? You can say the example and you can say.
Yeah. Mm, uh, can you scroll up a bit?
Yeah, there's no output.
No, like you know that three lines. Yeah, thank you. A function is a block of code, which means the set of code, which only runs when it's called, like a print, I guess. That means it's calling, I think.
Here I
Hello.
wrote in the green, the comment. You can see that here.
Okay.
This one.
And we can also pass the data, which is also known as parameters, into the function. And a function can return data as a result. That means a function can print the data as a result, I think.
So here in the first line, you see, okay, the function is defined using the DEF key. Okay. Here in the first line, you can see.
Hmm.
So can you identify which is function name and which is the parameter? I written in the comment. You can just see it and you can just tell it.
Uh, define greet is the function and the name is a parameter.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you. So I'll explain the code. So here, greet is the function name and the name is the parameter. So here, print hello plus name plus welcome to the new school. Here, the name, okay. So greet Angelina. So here, greet is, so here, when the greet is called and the function is called, you can see here in the function it calls, it returns the data as a result. So this Angelina will go here in the name here, here, and it replaces the name with Angelina. So what will be the output? Just a guess.
Hello, Angelina. Welcome to the new school.
Yeah, did you understand how it get? It passes, the parameter passes this, it returns the data to here
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
the result.
Got it.
So did everybody got it?
Yeah.
Can you explain it again once?
Yeah. So here, the greet is the function name and the name is the parameter. So what does the parameter do? It passes data. So here, hello, name, it passes the data here. Okay, to here. Sorry, here, and welcome to the new school. Here you can see the comment what I written. The name variable is replaced with the value passed to the function. So here, this is the function. So when the function is called, that is greet Angelina. So here, the function returns the data. Here they give returns the data as a result. So here, Angelina is written back here in this code. Here, in the name and it result. It is replaced. The name is replaced by Angelina. So did you get it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when the function is called, here the function is called means greet Angelina. This is the function is called. Here it returns the data, that is Angelina, it returns the data to the name and it replaces it. That is, now the name become Angelina. So when I run this code, I'll get hello Angelina, welcome to the news code. Did everybody understand?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, you can ask me.
So greet is the function name, no? So
Yeah.
for greet, we can replace any other name also.
Yeah, you can. So here you can see the next example. So I need anybody to explain this, not Lavit. Any other volunteer.
Can I?
Yeah, you can.
So here definition is favorite subject. Here favorite subject is function name
Yeah.
and subjects.
What is subject there?
Can you scroll down little bit?
Okay, I'll give you options like is it a parameter or is it a function?
Yeah, it's a parameter.
Yeah, okay, fine.
So it's a parameter. Print my favorite subject is then plus subject plus. So it will print favorite subject maths and favorite subject is science. So
Yeah, you can say.
yeah, so the code will be my favorite subject is maths and science.
So here, like function is called. So which is passed, okay, which value is passed to the, what they can say, subject. It's like here, I told Angelina is gone here, like in the name, and it is replaced. Here, which are the things gone and replaced here?
Uh, Here plus is there, no? There maths and here next plus is science.
Yeah, can run the code. Yeah. So max, it passes here in the subject and it get replaced. That is, it will become math. And when the code run again, the science will pass, will come here and it replace with the subject. So it will become science. So did you get it? How the function works?
Yeah.
So this is the basics of the function and dictionary. Yeah,
Yes.
Thanishka.
Okay. So I just wanted to ask, do you guys remember what are dictionaries? I just want to know if you're not sleeping because I don't know if you forgot the definition. Do you know what are dictionaries?
Yeah, can I?
No, not love it. Others. I think you guys are sleeping. Oh, Ashish is very sleepy.
No.
Oh, why do you think so?
Yeah, he's very tired. Ashish, are you very tired?
No.
Yeah, can you then answer what is dictionary?
The keys and values which are stored.
Yeah, you're right. I know you understood, but I'll just tell you the standard definition for it. So, there are many data types, just like, you have strings, then you have integers, then you have lists and all those things. So, dictionary is also a data type because it contains some data. That's it. Okay. So, dictionary is a data type. Okay, so you have to know that. So it's not just key value pairs. So which store data in a key and value pairs. Okay, so this is a standard definition. And then later on, you can say it's like mutable, means the values are mutable. Okay, the keys are not. And the keys should be unique. Yeah. So that's for dictionaries. And then we'll end this dictionary part after you give me an example. So I already gave an example about your contact list, right, in the phone. So Angelina, can you add a cell? They can write, they'll guide you. Okay. So I gave you an example, so put it into the code. So contact, so this is the contact list of Yuga. Okay, let us see how many contacts you can have.
May I?
Oh, this is contact list of Yuga. So Yuga will guide.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Yuga, can you guide Angelina?
Okay. So you can start. Uh, you can give the variable as contacts. Then equals. Then parenthesis. Then quotation mark. Double quotations. So inside it, like, just a minute. Mm, you can type. You can type name. Then colon. Uh, colon. Okay. After it, with the double quotation mark. Yeah, inside it, Nehant.
Is the spelling correct?
HA.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So the next comma, the device with double quotation mark. Device.
Oh, device.
So then, the colon and can write uh Samsung with double quotation. You're right. Mm,
Oh, I think she left the class due to internet connection. Yeah, let's wait.
mm.
Oh yeah, she told that she will join back. Let's wait
Okay.
for a few minutes.
Okay, sorry for that. I'll share my screen again.
Mm.
Yeah, I can continue.
Okay. Uh, so instead of that, I thought to change some of the things. What can you erase it? Still, Samsung to Neha. The
Should
name?
I replace it with Nihant?
No, no. Yeah, yeah. Including it.
So I should remove everything.
Yeah, yeah. Except the name.
Yeah.
Okay. So name. You can give my name Yuga. The next comma. Then phone
Phone.
with a double quotation. Then a colon. 9743. Just write my number.
Can you
Nine.
number
Yeah, 9743.
9743
124129.
124129? Is it correct?
Yeah, yeah. Then like email. After that, comma, email. Mm, A colon. Uh, uh, Now, Yuga Mdev 2010 at gmail.com.
Yuga?
Mdev 2010 at gmail.com.
Can you come again? Yuga?
Yuga
Spell it.
Mdev,
Spell it.
YUGAMDEV.
EV.
No, no, remove that. There you go. No, Yuga. After that, it should be M.
N. It should be M.
Yeah. 20. Then next after way 2010 at gmail.com.
2010.
At gmail.com. So
Yeah.
then,
One doubt.
yeah.
Yuga, I told you to create a contact list. In your contact list,
uh,
do you have name as key and value as Yuga?
mm, no,
Is it like that in your phone?
no.
In my phone, it's like Yuga and number, Nehant and number, Lavit number, and Ashish number, Angelina and her number. In my phone, I don't have name and Yuga, phone and Yuga, like number, email and your email.
So just I was giving the phone, then number, then name, my name, then email, my email. I thought the
No,
contact.
no, no, just a second. Just think, now here. Can you see the mobile? Not able to see?
No.
It's
Not
vanishing in the background.
okay. Now can you see? Can you see now?
It's not clear.
It's blur.
Now
It's blurred out.
It's
It's
Blur.
blur.
completely remove the background.
I have to completely remove. Just a second. Um. Okay, I'll show the screen. Yeah. Mm. I'll just share my screen. Yeah. Can you guys see the screen?
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
when you go, like when you're on your phone, you go to contacts. In the contacts, you just see you have name and different names, right? Like this. You will have different names, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then when you click this name, what happens?
It calls to a particular person.
How is that possible? With just name?
No, with mobile number.
Yeah. So your phone will save the number with the name. So you will not type the number. You will just type the name. Then you get the value number. Then you call. So now this is Yuga's contact list. So first contact is was Nehant. So key will be Nehant and the number will be
Value.
Nehant's number. Again
The
next.
value.
Yeah, that's the value. So that's the phone number. And again another contact and their number, phone number. Okay? So it's not name and your name. So that's not what I asked. It's your contact list. See here. Oh, everything same. Yeah. So you have different names and then their numbers. That's it. That's contact list.
Okay.
Okay. So you can change all that. So we don't have much time. So let's just add two numbers, any two numbers randomly. Yeah. Angelina, you can share your screen. So instead of name, oh no, don't delete everything. Don't delete everything. No, just don't select anything. Yeah. So name, double click on name, double click on name. Not, yeah, double, yeah. So instead of that, you can write Nehant. Yeah. And instead of Yuga, you remove the quotation. Yeah. So write any 10 numbers. Okay, two more. Okay. Then instead of phone, let's write love it. Yeah. Then remove just the quotation. Yeah. Other things, remove. Email. Yeah. Yeah. So that's just the contact list. So it's contact list now. Then you go to print. Then inside the parenthesis, write contacts. Then run the code. So now, what if I just want Lavit's number, not Nehan number, just one Lavit number? So what do? Just think for now. You have a dictionary. You are searching for the word fair, Fair. I already told you about it. So now, will you directly just go and search fair? How will you search for it? Like,
We should
what's
go to
the
the
First,
particular name, like first letter of the name.
okay? Now the word is fair. How do you search for it?
Yeah, we'll go to the F section, then A section, then for the fair. Like
Ye-
word by word, we'll search it.
Yeah. So now, if I want to go to love it, like to get that name and number in the dictionary, then so I need Levitt's number. That's it. So now, if I need his number, then I need to get the name. If I need the name, I need to know the dictionary name. So to print the number, you have to print the dictionary. We already have dictionary here, contacts. So inside the dictionary, we have to search for the key. What's the key here?
Nihant and Lavit.
Love it.
No, I just want Lovit's number now. So to get his number, I just want his number. But to get that number, we need to have the key. But key itself is inside the dictionary. So I need to have the dictionary. So now I've already printed the dictionary name. It's contacts, print contacts. Now I have to go inside the dictionary and print something else so that I can get the number. So what should I print now? Do you know the answer?
Like a print Lavit.
No. With the contacts, I have to print something else. With the contacts. Because first you go to dictionary, right? Without the
Uh,
dictionary, how will you search for the word?
so print contacts with a double quotation Lavit.
Yeah. Instead of double quotation, we will put square brackets. So print contacts, then put square brackets after contacts. Yeah, right. Love it. Yeah, you have to put the quotation. Yeah, got the number. Yeah, I got Lovett's number. So that's how it works. Okay. You have to remember all this because you are going to use dictionary and in the project. And then the function. So function, the standard definition, you can say function is a code which is run when you call it. So here you see, okay, you can scroll down. Scroll. Yeah. So here, what's the function name? Favorite subject. So favorite subject and the code inside that function will be run only when you call that function, right? At the end, you see in the last two lines, you're calling that function. Favorite subject, math. Favorite subject, science. So you call the function, only then it will runs. So just when you practice, you just try this. Remove the last two lines. Remove, don't call the function. Everything, oh no, don't do it. They try. So you don't call the function, you do everything and tell me what happened. I'll not tell you what happens, but tell me what will happen if you don't call the function at the last. Yeah, this is your very, very easy and small assignment. Yeah, so function is something that is run or code that is run when you call it. And then I'll show you why we should use function. Okay. Are you guys not interested to see?
Very interested.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, then I'll show you. Hmm. Yeah, I'll share share the screen. Oh yeah, okay, okay. Can you guys see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Have
Yeah.
you? Okay. You see, don't worry about this. This one, this code. You see? Now what's the function name?
Prepare food.
Prepare food. Okay. Now, okay, let me make it easier for you. Yeah. So prepare food is the function name. What's the argument or okay, what's the parameter? What am
Ingredient.
Ingredients.
ingredient. So now this here I'm calling the function like prepare food. I'm writing the function name and then this is the argument. Like I use this keyword everywhere inside the function. At last, when I call the function, I replace it with what I have to put. Okay? Yeah. So now you see, prepare food is equal to delicious Indian plus the ingredient. Ingredient is what? It's the argument, like a parameter. You don't know what the ingredient is. At the last, we know. Then
Yeah.
delicious Indian dash food for space. Oh, yeah. Then print, prepare food. Print this one, this line, like that. So here, first when you call, like when you have define the function, then you come down. First, it reads the last line because we are calling the function at the last. Then it goes to second line. Then delicious Indian. So what was the ingredient that the computer saw at the last line? Paneer tikka.
Funny.
So delicious Indian paneer tikka food for space. Then print it. Yeah. So let's run the code. Do you know what will be the output? Okay,
Mm.
got it. So delicious
Uh,
food for space. Did you ever try paneer tikka?
no.
No,
No.
me too. Even I didn't try. Yeah, so this is how it works. So, but don't worry, like you don't need to learn this for now, like this code, but just see, it's quite, I mean, not complex, but it's quite big. So here, if I want to like repeat again and again, then I can just use function. Just function. You see, here, this is outside the function because you see the indentation, it's outside the function, but just this is the function, this much, that's it. So total is water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Then print it. That's it. Then when I call the function, then I'll like replace these things, or I'm taking input like water. I'm not directly telling or telling the computer the value of that argument or the parameter, but I'm asking the value from the user. So this is quite big, right? Okay, if you're getting confused, don't worry. This is quite big. So you have to repeat many things. So you don't need to repeat everything. So in that case, what you can do is just you can replace one word. For example, just think here I use here I put ingredient 1, comma, then ingredient 2. Okay. Now here paneer tikka and what else? Another food that you want to take for space.
Biryani.
Oh, okay. Biryani. Now, we can, instead of food, we can do this. Food 1 is ingredient. Okay. So food 1 is delicious Indian ingredient food for space. Then again, food 2. Copy and then paste. And yeah. So again, this also we repeat. Yeah. So food 1 is same. Food 2 also same. Yeah. Now fine. So food 1 is delicious Indian dash food for space. Food 2 is delicious Indian dash food for space. Ingredient 1 is this argument. Ingredient 2 is this argument. So now what you can do is you don't need to just print delicious Indian paneer tikka food for space, delicious Indian biryani food for space. You don't need to do that. You can just use one word that you need to change. So if you want to like, repeat many things, then you use function. So here the only things that's changing, what is that? What is changing? Are you guys sleeping again?
No.
Hmm.
Yeah, can you tell me what is changing in this function?
Just the
That
numbers 1 and 2.
Oh no, here
one
in
and
these
two.
two lines, what is changing?
Paneer tikka and biryani.
The paneer tikka and
Yeah.
biryani.
So that's why just instead of that, we use arguments. And while calling the function, we replace that arguments with the actual word. So yeah, that's about function. So today we learned function and dictionaries. And in the last class, you learned while loop, break, and continue statement.
Continue.
Yeah. So these things are necessary for you to make the project. So when you have the project again, me and Angelina, or me and Pranava, or Angelina and Pranava will accompany you in your group meeting as well to help you with the project. Okay? Yeah, I told you at the beginning. And those who join late, oh, sorry, just a second. Okay, sorry. So, yeah, so next, when you do the project, you don't need to learn anything because you have learned all the topics. You just have to practice. Only then you can use these learned topics in the project. And those who join late, you can do this. You have to watch today's recording. Not the whole recording, but the part that you missed because I informed few things at the beginning, so you can watch the recording when I send it in the group. Yeah. Do you guys have any doubts?
No.
No, so far.
No. Okay. So again, whenever you are not attending the class, you have to inform me before itself. Before a day. Before the day. Thursday. Yeah. So I can know. You should not inform me after you miss the class. Yeah. If
Okay.
you have any doubts, then you can contact me or Angelina. So practice and remember the assignment. Try both of this with your own examples. Like it's the practice for you guys, then you can make the project. Yeah. Because we are trying so hard to make the tutorial videos for you, just like I said at the beginning. So that's it for today. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you, Angelina.
sister.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.